Kimoni. Happy birthday.
This is my present.
12.
Wow,
That's so many, and you have still some more here. Wow.
But where's Legos? I need to open Legos and make airplane.
Huh? Make airplane?
Yes.
Say, time to open presents.
Time to open presents.
Or you say thank you muna. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me good
And
presents.
thank you for coming to my party.
Yay.
Say it. Thank you.
Thank you for coming to my party.
So happy.
I'm so
Kiki.
A gun. That's a gun.
Wow!
Wow. You give me
Mahal yan. Thank you, Tita April. Oh, don't open muna. Open other one.
okay.
What's that? Oh, that's a ninja.
There's
Ninja.
Yes.
Oh, it's a card. You build it.
beautiful. Wow.
Look. Thank you.
This one, Austin give me.
This one?
Austin. Yes, Austin. Austin. Yes, this one.
Toy shop.
What the? Oh wait! Oh wait! Oh wait! Wow!
Daddy.
Ah! No way! No way!
Ang ganda.
Wow, it's 4 engines.
Yeah. Ang ganda ba?
Only 4 inches. How to tangle this?
Oh, 2?
Oh!
Another.
Wala na!
Tangle. What? How to tangle this?
Mommy, there's 2.
Ah.
Ah! Ayoko na.
Sinabi mo bang airplane?
Oh.
Sige.
Hindi, nagtanong sila. Sabi ko, airplane first.
Wow. How many engines?
4. The
Favorite
double
niya na.
decker.
Oh, it's a double decker.
That's from Tita
Tita
Ana.
It's from Tita Ana. Tita Ana.
Another one.
The one he can do this one.
Also 4 engines.
Yes. Also 4 engines.
Mali ba kagabi tuyo? Nakalimutan mo yung bilhin sa Pilipinas, eh. Wow, that's big.
Yes.
You're at the Philippines.
Sabi mo, you're malayo.
Yeah.
Sabi mo, you're malayo na.
I got a gun.
Ah!
The kids give me the kids and girls give me the present.
Your friends. Sabi mo,
Yeah.
my friends po. Did you enjoy daw? Yes po, nanay.
Sana hindi ka magkasakit na ha.
Yes po, nanay.
Yes po, nanay.
Sige, mag-enjoy ka lang mamaya.
Okay.
Bye.
Love you, nanay.
Love you, nanay. Bye.
Yung katabi na na resort.
Hi.
Are you happy with your
Yes. Yes, yes.
your mommy and daddy? You're happy.
Habang tayong table.
I want to go there.
Yes, I want also.
Me too.
The big one.
Yes, me too.
I don't want.
I like it. Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Asa tayo lahat dyan?
I don't want. Yan!
Di ba baligtad?
That is so cute.
Stop! Stop!
Wag na!
Stop!
Uy!
Jesus!
Why you come out?
I just disappeared.
Disappear?
Yeah? Yeah, right. Then we go to the wave pool. I don't want. Oh, kahit hindi ko gumalaw.
Are you having so much fun? Na ano? May isa pang malaki doon eh, yung orange na yun.
Kaya yun.
Hmm?
Kaya yun.
Ang papataba niyan. Kaya, kasi rin.
Bukuling ko ay mag-ako.
Ang ingat!
This is our gift for Brent. Come here. Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes muna. Daddy, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. It's the gift from Mommy and Daddy. You open it.
You open it.
Well, thank you, Daddy.
You know what is it?
Is
Do you know what is it?
It's SMRT with this one. Not so fly and it was nice. How to open this one? I cannot open.
Daddy will help you.
Where did you get from? Daddy River?
Secret.
Open, open. I want to see what is it.
What is it?
Nice.
Show. What is it?
It's nice.
Is that what you wanted?
Is it what you want?
Yeah.
The MRT?
Yes.
The Singapore MRT?
Yeah.
What will you say?
What will you say?
Thank you, Daddy.
No, not that only.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
You're welcome.
Love you.
Another day, you give me a another day, you give me this
Another
one.
month.
Another.
Another one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay? You kiss mommy.
Love you.